Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the bridge pickup and lowering neck interference. This gives immediate clarity and harmonic bite. Once set, roll tone knobs towards 7/8 to thin the low mids and emphasize pick attack. Plug into a hot amp channel and set the gain to a moderate 4/6 so you avoid flubbing dynamics. Make sure your guitar volume is at 7/8 to keep natural compression. These quick moves shift your Strat's voice from scooped to more focused and metal-ready. Next, you combine pedals to build a tight, saturated core. Put a transparent overdrive first to tighten pickup response, then a high-gain unit after to sculpt sustain. Once the chain is active, dial the amp or pedal EQ. Boost mids around 800 to 1. 2 kHz to cut through, and add presence at 3 to 5 kHz for pick definition. Make sure to cut low frequencies between 80 and 120 Hz to prevent boom. Small boosts and cuts matter more than extreme settings. Finish by locking down the fundamentals. Use heavier strings and tune precisely to keep chugs tight and palm muting effective. Once done, set pickup height with the bridge closer to the strings so you get more output without rattling. Make sure to test dynamics. Strat can still sing with harmonics if you keep some treble. If the tone becomes muddy or noisy, reduce gain a notch, cut unnecessary lows, and check grounding and cable shielding to eliminate hum. That troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.